Hey guys, my name is Neel and welcome to Suhaas. In this episode, we're going to be learning about interface. So, what is interface? Interface is the way or how it works when you have two classes which are similar but not similar. So, it's basically inheritance, but for example, all the classes I've written have class bird and class parrot. Both are similar. Class cat and class dog. They are not similar, but there are some similar attributes like they both walk on four legs, they both eat, they both sing. So they both have some similarities. But what to do when you have two classes which are not similar but still want to mix them? It's called interface. So interface basically has like no definition. So yeah, that's basically interface. So I actually want to write it, but it would take another like extra 15 minutes to write both of them. So hybrid. So let's talk about multiple and hybrid inheritance. So how to do inheritance? It's actually easy. So you write class Neel. Class Neel. It's not niece. So class Neel. So instead of writing class Neel, you have to write interface Neel. That's how you make an interface. You shouldn't have to write so many code. It's only interface Neel. So hybrid and multiple inheritance are basically types of inheritances. They're very similar to the other inheritance I said. There's a multi-level. Yeah. So these both are similar to the interfaces. So that is basically inheritance and interface. It may seem like a bit complicated concept at first, but it's just defining an easy thing that you do while you're making multiple classes. Polymorphism. So now that I said about polymorphism, it may seem like a complicated subject, but it is one of the easiest subjects in Java. Okay, maybe not one of the easiest, but it's very easy. So what is polymorphism? Polymorphism basically means many forms. Poly means many and morphism means forms. So that may seem a little bit confusing. So let's take a real life example. So imagine a lion. So all lions look the same, right? Wrong. You see, some lions eat non-veg, some lions eat veg, some lions are weak, some lions are strong. So lion. A lion is a class, but it take on many forms. One of them eats non-veg, one form eats veg. So a class, a simple thing, lion, taking on many forms, like a lion eating veggies and a lion eating non-veg. So one specific thing taking many forms is called polymorphism. So this video may be a short video because this is a Java beginner tutorial and all these videos I'm making are for beginners. So there won't be much in it. I'll be just saying what a beginner could learn. I mean, I'm still a beginner. I'm not a pro, but I know some, so why not spread the knowledge? So let's talk about polymorphism and let me write you an example. And also, this is my previous class, inheritance, which I've said. So if you didn't check it out, link is in top right hand corner. Top right hand corner, so go check it out. So anyways, let's talk about polymorphism. So let's write polymorphism. very important detail. I know this is not related to polymorphism, but so skip exactly 20 seconds and you'll be fine. So what I want to say is that a new short film called Terror is released. So go check out that thing. It's very interesting. I know this is not related to Java and you may exit the video now itself, but listen to me. It's a very good short film, so go check it out. Just type on Terror short film Neel, or just check out my other YouTube videos and you'll find it. And even go check out the trailer because, well, reasons. So anyways, it's over. So let's talk about polymorphism. So let's write an example. Let's take class bird. So I've actually written an example of polymorphism in my last video, but I haven't said it that this is polymorphism. So in inheritance, when you do something, which is called hierarchical inheritance, it's basically polymorphism, right? So let's say class bird. I say class, let's say class bird, right? So let's make So let's take a class bird. What can birds do? So let's say class bird, public static void main stringers. I'm just writing this in short form, so that like I can't just write public static void main in it. Let's take a bird can sing, a bird can fly, which is important, a bird can lay eggs, it has wings, and it can shout. So this is an example of this is class bird, right? So let's write class parrot, class sparrow. Sparrows are becoming extinct, so no one's talking about it. Class budgies, class toucans, and class pelican. So these are the different classes. So now let's say class public static void main string sing. So parrot can sing. So let's write string fly, string eggs. So when I write all of these, so I don't want to write all of these because it'll really take 12 minutes just to write all of these, and the episode is just basically me in a nutshell writing Java. So when this is written in all of these class string, so all of these are different, right? One is parrot, one is sparrow, one is budgies, one is toucans, one is pelican. So all of these are different, but they still have the same qualities. So different classes but same attributes. Inheritance was same class or probably similar class and similar attributes. This is different classes but same attributes. So this is polymorphism. There are still many forms of polymorphism, and there is still a lot more complex polymorphism, but like I said, this is a Java beginner tutorial, so yeah, that is fine. So this is polymorphism, and also this one is coming to an end. So after polymorphism we have abstraction, encapsulation. I'll do one or two videos on error handling and scanner and small things which I haven't said. And I think Java's it. Yeah, so my Java videos are coming to an end. I'll probably do 2 practicals, 2 mega practical episodes. They could be very long. I'm writing everything that I know, and at my last episode I'm making like this mega program where I write everything that we have learned in this entire 15 or 20 span series into this one class, and there will also be a recap video. So to not miss those, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you don't miss out any of the videos. And that's all folks, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.